Devi Jaya Ananda Purba, and good morning. The truth is our priority. We give justice to your curiosity. The latest news ported only here on Breaking News, giving you the latest and most credible news for today. Stadium disaster, a reality check to Indonesia sporting invitation. Indonesia hopes of hosting world sports events in future will depend on the credibility of its investigation into the weekend's football stadium disaster and safety reforms. Analysts have warned the tragedy on Saturday in Malang left 125 people dead and more than 300 injured after police fired tear gas in a vacant stadium to quell a pit invasion by fans triggering a stampede. It was one of the deadliest disasters in the history of football. Analysts said that while there have been similar tragedies in other countries, although rarely on such a scale, it will undoubtedly affect Indonesia's reputation when it comes to hosting big international competition. It could not have come at a worse time. Indonesia has bid to replace China as host for next year's Asian Cup football, and a decision is due in 2 weeks. Indonesia will also host the FIFA U20 World Cup in May. There have been calls online for Indonesia to be stripped of that right. Indonesia, which defied warnings about for preparation to take the Asian Games in 2018, has also expressed an interest in hosting an Olympics for the first time in 2036. It certainly tarnishes the reputation of the country and tarnishes the reputation of football there. They can escape that. They can escape that Los Angeles-based crowd management expert Paul Wedemeyer told Avivi. But it is what they do know that will determine whether the reputation sticks or not, whether they can learn from this tragedy and produce standards of care that will impress the world, said Wedemeyer, who heads the consultancy crowd management strategies. The first thing I thought was, why was tear gas being used? He added, also highlighting overcrowding and failure in crowd management as among the possible missteps. FIFA, football's world governing body, prohibits the use of crowd control gas by police or stewards at pitch side. I think everything has to be reassessed, Wedemeyer said, adding there also needs to be retraining of personnel on managing crowds as well as an educational component that focuses on the fans and the public. The government has formed a task force to investigate the tragic events at Kanjuruhan Stadium, where 32 children were among the dead. Hard wake-up call. Mustafa Izzuddin, a visiting professor of international relations at the Islamic University of Indonesia, said global scrutiny will not just be on football, it will be on Indonesia's ability as a whole to host future sporting events and even on its ambition to become a key player in world diplomacy. The country has struggled to set a reputation for generally lax safety standards. Its airlines were previously banned in the West because of safety issues. The Stampede tragedy, as it might be, is a hard wake-up call for Indonesia. Look at all these security measures for all the sporting events that they are going to be hosting from this point forward, Mustafa told AFP. It's a critical time for Indonesia to ensure that any investigation is credible and that punishments are meted out, he added. More importantly, Indonesia must forfeit the necessary assurance to the wider football community that is serious about curbing football violence. Having watched football matches in Indonesia, Mustafa noted that violence often happens in places far from urban centers, making it necessary for provincial officials to play a preferred role in user safety. Wardemar said that Indonesia can salvage its reputation at home and abroad with the right response. Will they respond with a thorough investigation that leads to substantive change that protects the public going forward, he asked. If they do that, over time Indonesia will establish a positive reputation in the international community, and it probably will regain the confidence of the Indonesian public as well. And that's all for today. Breaking news. Once again, I'm Devi Chayananda Purba, delivering news from worldwide towards one united direction. Heart is united. Real Center. Have a great day. Thank you.